Welcome back to Invincibles. And it looks like the market has been selling off throughout the day, so there's not too many stocks that have been holding it pretty nicely throughout the day, but XELA was one of them, and they have been picking up on volume. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for XELA to continue and have that major breakout that we're looking for, and the only thing that's return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over XELA with you guys here on the 5-minute chart, and then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour so you guys can see what we're looking at overall for very key resistances. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned DLPN on a 50% breakout. We mentioned on the video before this, and we mentioned VXRT this morning, as you guys can see here in pre-market. We mentioned multiple plays. We mentioned MDIA when they were halted, as you guys can see here, and they did have a nice 20% breakout since then. We mentioned multiple breakouts throughout the day. So if you guys want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. So as you guys can see here with XELA, we have been bouncing off the 50 MA, looking to see if we can continue on up with the 20 MA curling up here. As you guys can see, going to extended hours, that we did have the 20 MA curling down below the 50 MA, but continue to curl back up. We're going to look to see if we can continue with volume going to tomorrow, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour. I'm going to back up here so you guys can see what we're looking at overall. We have very key resistances that we do need to break above here. As you guys can see, we have a $3 resistance that we are getting rejected at coming into today. We're going to see if we can hold over $3 going to tomorrow and then break over this $3.45 mark that I'm looking at here on the VPVR. Again, this is the volume profile, the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. As you guys can see here, 345 is very key for us. And then we have a very key resistance that we did mention previously when the stock was trying to break out previously. We mentioned this $4.48 mark as a very key resistance to break above. And it looks like we are trying to get the 20 MA to curl up here to possibly give us that bullish momentum we're looking for here on the 4-hour. And again, we want to make sure we do cross above this $3 mark, in my opinion, to have this continuation possibility and possibly break over this $3.45 mark. We have two major volume points that we do need to break above here, as you guys can see on the volume profile. So in my opinion, breaking over that $3.45 mark going into tomorrow would be very key for us to get more momentum. But however, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour, we are overall decreasing in volume. So we're going to see if we can continue with volume going into tomorrow. As you guys can see the 4-hour here, we do have the EMA lines that are still below the MACD, showing us that we could have a continuation sell-off. So in my opinion, XELA is still only on the watch, but if we break over this $3.45 mark, then we will have an alert. And if it does happen, then we will alert this one in this Zoom if we do get volume confirmation with that $3.45 mark broken above. But however, again, definitely still on the watch. Definitely let the play come to you, in my opinion. And if you guys do believe in XELA, then I would be looking to see if we make sure we do have the 20 MA holding above the 50 here on the 4-hour, or else we could have a possible continuation sell-off like we have been previously when the 20-day moving average crossed below the 50-day moving average previously, and we had a continuation sell-off then. So I definitely would be careful for that if you guys are still holding XELA. But however, again, XELA, definitely one of the most hyped stocks that we do see in the market right now. We could see a major breakout if we do get volume confirmation on this. So I definitely would be setting my alerts to possibly get that play that we're looking for. And again, if you guys want to see all these penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.